Today, we have an extraordinary car story for all the classic Corvette fans out there. This isn't just any 1995 Chevrolet Corvette, but one that stands out not only due to its stunning condition but also because it is one of only 13 units ever made in this specific color combination. And if you're wondering just what makes this Corvette so special, stick around because it's not just the purple metallic finish that's turning heads. This 1995 Corvette is being offered for sale on eBay by seller mmogab, and it's unlike anything you've probably ever seen on the road. It's not the typical Corvette you'd find at your local dealership, and that's because it has a unique rarity. The vehicle is finished in a stunning purple metallic paint, a rare option that was only available for the 1995 and 1996 model years. But that's not the most intriguing part. The owner claims that only 13 Corvettes were ever made with this specific purple color paired with a beige interior, a detail that immediately increases the car's desirability among collectors. But beyond the rare color combination, this Corvette is a prime example of a car that has been kept in pristine condition. According to the seller, this car has always been stored in a garage, away from the elements, which explains why it looks almost new despite its age. With just 25,000 miles on the clock, the car has barely been driven, making it a great find for anyone looking for a low-mileage classic that still feels as fresh as the day it was first sold. What makes this Corvette even more appealing is that it is entirely original. The seller emphasizes that no modifications have been made to the car, making it an untouched example of 1995 Corvette engineering. The paint, the interior, and the engine are all as they were when the car first left the dealership. It's a rare opportunity for collectors to acquire a vehicle that is truly as it was when it first rolled off the production line. The heart of this Corvette remains untouched as well. Under the hood, you'll find the original engine, and according to the seller, it runs and drives beautifully. With no repairs needed, it starts right up and is ready for a drive. This is a huge selling point for anyone considering purchasing the car. The seller even mentions that the car is in such good shape that a buyer could fly in, drive it home, and not have to worry about any issues along the way. However, due to its rarity, this car is likely to be kept in pristine condition and will probably not see much tarmac in the future. As for the price, this rare 1995 Corvette is being listed at $20,000. For such a unique vehicle, this price seems more than reasonable. The seller has also enabled the make offer option, allowing potential buyers to discuss the price further, possibly negotiating a better deal. While this Corvette may not have attracted as much attention as expected, the rarity of this vehicle and its stunning condition will surely start to turn heads as more collectors realize what a gem this car is. If you're interested in this 1995 purple Corvette, you may want to act quickly. The listing will expire in just 9 days, and with the rarity of the car, there's no telling how long it will be before it finds a new owner. It's currently parked in Miami, Florida, so if you're serious about this car, you might want to arrange an in-person inspection to see it up close before making a final decision. For Corvette lovers and collectors alike, this might be the once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to own a piece of automotive history, one of only 13 purple 1995 Corvettes. Don't miss your chance to own this stunning car.